This is all about the numbers in the Golden Ad Report, video 2. Now, in the last video, we talked about how to narrow down and work out the cost of consumption for a video. It's really pretty easy. Again, you can test $3 a day, $5 a day, but literally after just a couple of days, it's pretty easy to see where that consumption lies. Now, it's really important that we're going to focus on the right placements. So we want to take a look at a video view objective, for example. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to run this test to 4 different cold markets. And again, I'm really focusing right here, of course, on top of funnel activities. Now, you'll see inside the Social Media Ad Genius training, what we talk about is finding 2 core audiences, targeting people, of course, by age and specific interest, and having those audiences be over 1 million plus, and the other 2 cold audiences being lookalike audiences. Ideally, like 95% video views of longer watched videos. Lookalike audiences of pages of likes on your page, as long as they got there ethically, morally, in the right way. Or lookalikes of leads, or lookalike of sales. Lookalikes of landing pages or friends of friends is stuff to never ever test. That could go into forever on why that. But what we're going to do is we're going to run this cold market traffic, and specifically we're going to start off running in mobile. It's going to be one of the best options for video consumption on mobile. We're going to see a higher consumption rate, and the cost is going to be a lot lower too. We also start a lot of ads top of funnel out on mobile. What I'm going to do is I'm going to run these videos really in the mobile feed and suggested video. And now Facebook said that they're phasing out the suggested video objective, but at least just target mobile, Facebook feed, and suggested video only. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to run, of course, ads in the Instagram feed, but there's only 2 placements in the Instagram feed. One being for Instagram feed, which essentially it has to be 1080 by 1080. We have a link inside of our Facebook Live training document that talks all about the different dimensions required for Facebook and for Instagram. But the 2 different feeds on Instagram is, one is the Instagram feed, that's a 1080 by 1080 video, and that video can be up to 1 minute long. That's it. Or you can also do an Instagram story. Those are 15 seconds long, and they must be shot in the format of holding up a phone, as in portrait style, not landscape style. So you have Instagram feed. Now, the audience network you can run videos in, but your videos cannot be over 30 seconds long. So it gives you a lot of ability to run in the Facebook feed and suggested video feed, again, mobile. But there are some restrictions of targeting in Instagram and the audience network, but I wanted to let you know your options. Now, 1-minute videos, again, that's what we focus on Instagram. We do run them in Facebook as well, but at least you're going to be able to open up Instagram for your audience. The other thing is, too, is these 2-minute videos, and these 2, 3, or 4-minute videos is really what I'm running to my cold market, because I'm looking for consumption. Are they watching the video, or are they clicking through to the site? Now, I also do use 15-second videos, but I don't use 15-second videos top of funnel. Very rarely will I, unless I really know the calculated risk. Many times I'm going to assist people through the funnel, which I'm going to show you over the next couple of slides. Now, keep in mind, when I'm retargeting these 1 and 2-minute video views, it's not by 10-second views. These views specifically are being targeted that are 2, 3, 4 minutes long, because I want people spending time with our talent.